Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unbagging. This right here is something I got from Imminent Threat Solutions, otherwise known as EDC. You can find them online on Facebook. I don't quite remember the internet address, but I'll let you know if I find it inside. But this is a pretty cool item. Let's give it a open, see what we have. So first thing I see is the item, and also they sent me a sticker, and here's the internet address. It's tactical.com, ITS Tactical, Imminent Solutions Threat. And what we have here is a Spie stick. It looks like a chapstick. And looks like we're gonna have to open it like a normal chapstick. First thing you see, you have a compass and a cap. And I hope if I take this out, oh yeah, it's gonna come out real easy. And I just dropped one of the items. So you have I forgot what they call it, a bypass tool. You have a lockpicking rake and a lockpick. And the item that I dropped would be the tension wrench. Let's see, it looks like a ferro rod. This is a diamond, I think, plated saw. Let's see what else is in here, if I can get it out. Oh, wow, look at that. I can turn it like a chapstick. This is a one-time use handcuff key. And bring it out even more. Looks like some tinder. Thought it was a pretty neat item. Looks just like a chapstick. It's called a Spie stick, everyday life protection. And like I said, I dropped the tension wrench, but it comes with a lock pick, lock rake, a one-time use handcuff key. It's pretty cool design. A ferro rod, a compass and a cap. Looks like it's pretty accurate. And let me just show you the lockpick set. So there you have it. That is from Imminent Threat Solutions, and that's at itstactical.com. And that's about it for today. I'm gonna have to go fish that tension wrench out, but I hope everybody has a freaking fantastic day. It's Friday, and go enjoy your weekend. Thank you for watching.